introduce myself. I am Ferathania Dagia with NIM 250214344. In this video, I'll summarize the vlogs made by members of my group of friends, focusing on 3 main points. Number 1, creativity. Number 2, speaking skills. And number 3, video concept. I'll also explain the strengths and weakness of each vlog. So be sure to watch until the end. I'll start with the group, Narendra, Zahro, and Alia. For the interview summary, this video interview features Mr. Yellow from China, majoring in Indonesian, and Mr. Brick from Ghana, majoring in chemistry education, international student at UNES. Mr. Yellow chose Semarang for economic reasons, while Mr. Brick was recommended by a friend. They both miss their parents. Mr. Yellow recommend a spicy Chinese discolored Sam, and Mr. Brick recommend a very spicy Ghanaian discolored Fufu. They also discuss culture, with Mr. Brick introducing Ghana is kente clothing tradition and the Akba dance. The strengths and weaknesses are strengths, creativity. This interview was creative, covering unique topics such as Semarang's economic projection and providing a relaxed interaction about foreign culture and food. Speaking skills. The interviewer demonstrated courage and initiative in engaging with native speakers while maintaining a friendly and polite demeanor. Video concept. The concept such as volume met the academic objectives and presented authentic and valuable content about the experiences of international students in Indonesia. But weakness, the video is technical quality was modest and the lack of professional editing such as subtitles or graphics limited the delivery of important information. And next, I will give a rating for this vlog. For creativity, range 80 out of 90. Next, for speaking skills, range 85 out of 90. And video concept for range 85 out of 90. Next, Group Diaz, Ayu, and Zahra. For the interview summary, this interview features Mr. Abdullah Mazidi from Nigeria, a first-year development economics student at UNES. He chose to study at the university based on his parent decision. His biggest challenge was the Indonesian language. He was impressed by the friendliness of the Indonesian people and the beauty of Semarang. And he did not experience culture shock. The academic environment was a bit different because English was not always used, but he enjoyed the lecturer teaching style. His favorite foods are tempe, fried rice, and katsu, and he is a fan of Barcelona. His most memorable moments was the friendliness and assistance offered by his classmates. The strengths and weakness are strengths, creativity. This interview did a good job of incorporating personal and light-hearted questions such as about Barcelona, which helped put the interview at ease. Speaking skills. The questions were delivered clearly in English, ensuring a smooth flow of communication and easy understanding for the interview. Video concept. The concept successfully elicited important and authentic information about the challenge and experience of international students in Indonesia. But the weakness, the interview lacked innovation as it used a standard question and answer format without visual elements. The video production quality, technical and editing was basic, and the lack of subtitles reduced the clarity of the information conveyed as well as the lack of a closing statement. And next, I will give a rating for this vlog. For creativity, range 80 out of 90. Next, for speaking skills, range 85 out of 90. And video concept for range 80 out of 90. Next, Group Danang, Daksa, and Anggi. For the interview summary, this interview features Mr. Brick Apollo from Ghana, a third semester chemistry education student at UNES who comes on a friend's recommendation. His biggest challenge was his Indonesian language, as most lecturers are not in English. His first impression of Semarang was its warm climate and interesting culture, especially the city is with food. He actively travels and cycles around the city. Mr. Brick believes his experience at UNES, especially in adapting to the culture and building social connection, has significantly influenced his future. He also advises other students that the relationship built on campus are more important for their future than academic grades. The strengths and weaknesses are strengths, creativity. This interview excelled in the topics raised such as the importance of social relationship and elicited in-depth answers regarding cultural adaptation and impressions of sweet foods in Semarang. Speaking skills. The interviewer successfully maintained a food conversation and allowed the interview to provide detailed answer. Video concept. The concept successfully conveyed a strong and authentic message about life and learning outside of academia. But the weakness, the interview used a very standard format, underutilizing supporting visual or dynamic elements. There were some weaknesses in the follow-up to in-depth question and the pronunciation of some unfamiliar words. The technical quality of the production was modest and the lack of editing, such as subtitles, made the video presentation less than optimal. And next, I will give a rating for this vlog. For creativity, range 80 out of 90. Next, for speaking skills, rank 80 out of 90. And video concept for ranks 80 out of 90. Next, Group Hildan, Fian, and Fauzan. For the interview summary, this interview features Mr. Kart, an accountant from Europa, who is on vacation in Indonesia for 3 to 4 weeks. His itinerary includes visits to Bromo, Kali Baru to see rubber, coffee, and tea plantations, and plans to visit a small temple. He notes that Indonesian breakfast is too heavy for him because in his country it only consists of bread and coffee, and he admits to not liking rice as a staple food like in Indonesia. Mr. Cart also shows off the quality rubber boots from France he is wearing. He likes Indonesian cigarettes because they are cheap and still sell flavors that are banned in Europa. The interview ends with the interviewer giving Mr. Kurt a blankon, traditional Japanese headscarf, as a gift. The strengths and weakness are strengths, creativity. This interview was highly creative, addressing unique topics such as French boots and an in-depth comparison of breakfast customs in Indonesia and Europa. Speaking skills. The interview, Mr. Cart, was fluent and informative, while the interviewer successfully listened and maintained a lively conversation. Video concept. The concept successfully gained authentic insight from a foreign tourist about cultural difference and concluded with a memorable moment, the presentation of a blankon. But the weakness, the interviewer lacked strategic follow-up questions. Most of the insightful information come from the interviewee's own initiative. And next, I will give a rating for this vlog. For creativity, range 85 out of 90. Next, for speaking skills, range 80 out of 90. And video concept for range 85 out of 90. Next, Group Desila, Intan, and Alfi. For the interview summary, this video features a chemistry student from Ghana currently studying for the third semester in Indonesia. She was motivated to convey a friend's recommendation and was drawn to the culture, praising the flexibility of the Indonesian education system. Her biggest challenge was the food, as she found many dishes too sweet or spicy. Although she loves noodles, she admires the respect and manners shown by everyone in Indonesia. Ultimately, she will miss the people and her friend, her not the food. The strengths and weakness are strengths, creativity. This interview excelled because it successfully explored sensitive topics such as comparing the flexibility of education system and the specific of food test to suite. Speaking skills. The conversation flowed quickly and focused thanks to the short, clear questions. Video concept. The concept successfully gained honest insight from international studies about culture and the importance of respect. But the weakness is the video lacked creativity in formatting. The interviewer lacked the in-depth follow-up, and there were some articulation difficulties. The lack of subtitles reduced the clarity of the information. And next, I will give a rating for this vlog. For creativity, range 80 out of 90. Next, for speaking skills, range 80 out of 90. And for video concept, range 85 out of 90. Next, Group Kaisa, Luhung, and Anissa. For the interview summary, this video features an interview with Shamila, a development economic student from Vanuatu Pacific at UNES. She chose UNES because it was recommended and because of the quiet campus atmosphere. Her biggest challenge is the Indonesian language, but she does not feel homesick because she has many good friends. She loves the friendly and always smiling Indonesian people. Her favorite foods are fried rice, crushed chicken, fried eggs, meatballs, and chicken noodles. But she does not like spicy food at all. So far, the place that has impressed her the most is Yogyakarta. Strengths. Creativity. This interview is creative, highlighting unique details such as the reasons for choosing a quiet campus and the intricate details of the interview's journey home. Speaking skills. The interview Shamila is very eloquent. The interviewer is communicative and the interaction between the two is warm. Video concept. The concept successfully alleges authentic and honest insight from an international student just settling into Indonesia. But the weakness is the interviewer frequently repeats questions or interrupts unnecessarily, and some attempts at humor are ineffective and unprofessional, and no subtitles. And next, I will give a rating for this vlog. For creativity, range 85 out of 90. Next, for speaking skills, range 80 out of 90. And for video concept, range 80 out of 90. Next, Group Fanny, Kinan, and Nadine. For the interview summary, a tourist named Bert from Sweden, making his first visit to Indonesia, began his journey in Yogyakarta. Drawn to its rich cultural heritage, he was deeply impressed by the friendliness and helpfulness of the Indonesian people and loved Javanese culture. He chose not to go to Bali, believing it was too touristy. Regarding culinary delights, he had tried chicken satay and satay lilit, but stated that he disliked fried food because it was too fatty. He recommended Baskap meatball soup in Malioboro. At the end of the interview, which concluded with a thank you and a souvenir, the tourist demonstrated his enthusiasm for the local language by successfully saying terima kasih and matur nuwun. Yes, thank you in Japanese. The strengths and weakness are strengths. Creativity. The interview chose a relaxed and natural outdoor setting, effectively creating a comfortable and informal atmosphere. Speaking skills. The interview tourist was very fluent in English and able to provide detailed and insightful answers. Video concept. The topic chosen was highly relevant and engaging, specifically about the experience of foreign tourists in Indonesia. But the weakness is there were frequent pauses and mispronunciation that disrupted the flow of the conversation. And next, I will give a rating for this vlog. For creativity, range 85 out of 90. Next, for speaking skills, range 85 out of 90. And for video concept, range 80 out of 90. Next, group Ami, Renanda, and Iza. For the interview summary, this interview involved an international student named Isa, originally from Canada, pursuing a bachelor's degree in chemistry education at UNES. He chose UNES on the advice of a friend. This was his first time in Indonesian. He was fascinated by the culture here. However, he still misses his home country. He has to adapt to different attitudes and cultures as they are different from those in his home country. He said the learning styles in Indonesian and his home country are almost the same and not significantly different. The strengths and weakness are strengths. Creativity. This interview excels in its creative selection of a highly specific topics. The interview demonstrates strong fluency in English, allowing him to convey personal experience with clarity and depth. Video concept. The concept successfully provides authentic and honest insight into foreign perspectives on Indonesian hospitality and local cultural phenomena. But the weakness include the minimal visual format. One member of the interview was not included in this video, and background noise made the interview volume unclear. And next, I will give a rating for this vlog. For creativity, range 85 out of 90. Next, for speaking skills, range 85 out of 90. And for video concept, range 80 out of 90. And the last is group Dava, Diania, and Zahra Aul. For the interview summary, this interview involved an international student from Nigeria and Germany, currently studying for a third semester of a bachelor's degree in English education at UNES. She chose Indonesian on the advice of her country counselor. She experienced culture shock, especially due to the large number of women wearing hijabs. However, she was deeply impressed by the kindness and friendliness of Indonesians, something she said she had not experienced in other countries, although she initially struggled with the language and food. She has since learned Indonesian and adapted. She enjoys living in Semarang, where is experienced the common culture such as the abundance of mosque and even malls. The strengths and weakness are strengths, creativity. This interview excels in its creative approach to a very specific topic, the experience of international students from Nigeria, which provides a unique perspective. Speaking skills. The interview demonstrates strong fluency in English, allowing her to convey personal experience with clarity and depth. Video concept. The concept successfully provides authentic and honest insights into foreign perspective on Indonesian hospitality and local cultural phenomena. But the weakness are evident in the minimal visual format, which tends to use a straightforward question and answer without variation, making it less dynamic. The interviewer pauses too much. And next, I will give a rating for this vlog. For creativity, range 80 out of 90. Next, for speaking skills, range 80 out of 90. And for video concept, range 85 out of 90. Okay, that is my summary and comments on the vlogs from my group friends. I hope this group will always maintain what they've done well and continue to learn to improve what is still lacking. I apologize for any pronunciation errors and thank you for watching my vlog until the end. Thank you and see you soon.